Are ashes from burned wood beneficial for gardens? If so, what are the benefits? And this is from Willie from Arlington, from Mr. Jim. Are they beneficial?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. Okay.
You get potassium. You also get some lime.
Okay.
Okay. So that part of it is good. The downside is you also get lye. You also get salt. Now those can be bad. So if you put too much down, you may not get the results that you're hoping for. It would be better to put them in your compost pile. Let the rain leach the lye, the salts out, then use that later. But a little light dusting is fine. Okay. Now light dusting. Gotcha. You want to make sure though that you've not burned any treated wood, any of these fire starter logs, anything like that in there. As long as it's just good wood, and the hardwood is better. You don't get much nutrients at all out of pine. So if you're just doing wood, then yeah, a little light sprinkling on the surface isn't going to hurt a thing, and you'll get some benefit.
Some benefit.
Right.
Some benefit. Mr. D, anything to add to that? Some benefit.
Like you said, yes and no. If you need to raise the pH in your garden, soil test. If your pH is 6 to 6.5, I wouldn't put it out there.
Yeah.
Because it's definitely a liming material, and wood ashes will change the pH of your soil a lot faster than regular calcitic lime or dolomitic limestone will. So if you need liming material in your garden, then yes, you can put probably no more than 20 pounds per 1,000 square feet. But only if you need it. If you don't need the lime, go to the compost pile with it. Do it later.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.